Salam alaikum. Ya jamali fikri. Muslimuna wal muslimati minna wal minna. Ne wo ka ko ne kun sigire fle. Kata fo ko ne wora kama ba fo ko ni. Ne to ko te wora ashi ko ne. My name is not Workia Ashikone. My name is not Workia Kone. My name is not Workia Tarawele. I am Workia Keta. Je suis Workia Tuketa. Je ne suis pas Workia Ashikone. Je ne suis pas Workia Tarawele. Je ne suis pas Workia Kone. Je ne suis pas Workia Sangare. Je ne suis pas Workia Sango. Je ne suis pas Bozula Djibi. Est-ce que tu comprends? I am not a Workia Sango, Bozula Djibi. I am not a who was in France with the madam. I am not her. I am a light skin without no bleach, and I never give a birth to the bastard child. I never have a miscarriage. I left Africa virgin women. I am not a worker Travel. I am not a worker Kone. I am not a worker Ashikone. I am not a worker Sangare. I am not a worker Jara. I am Rokia Tuketa, and people call me Rokia. Okay? My mother called me Rokia. My father last name is Keita. My mother last name is Keita. I was born in Bamako, Mali Hospital, Gabriel Touré. I am Bamakoka. Motherfucker, yesterday I make a video with this hat. With this hat. I don't have no long hair. My hair is like that since in 2009. Since 2009. Since 2008. I first cut my hair in 2008. My hair is like that. But I wear the wig. They went to video the women, the Haitian women, and the Haitian boy. They're talking about conversation Creole. I don't understand Creole. I don't speak Creole. If I'm lying, the whole entire Haitian, you never know me in your life. Khadija Kone is the one who hired the Haitian in her salon. Batoma sister. Batoma name is a Farid Makita. Batoma is not my family member. They're from Ivory Coast. Their father from Guinea Conakry. I am from Bamako, Mali. My father is from Mali. We're not from there. When I tell that, they say, hey, they don't know. Hey, listen. Their father name is not Musa. Their father name is not a Nam. Okay? They have the same last name with me. Our father name is not the same. Alright? They never tell you their father name is Musa. Alright? My father name is Musa Kita. We don't have the same father. We're not a cousin. Their father is not my father brother. Alright? We only have the same name. Same last name. Okay. Ce n'est pas l'enfant des grands frères ou petits frères de mon père. On ne se connaît même pas. Le nom de mon père et le nom de leur père, ce n'est pas la même. Mais notre nom de famille, c'est la même. Quand je dis ça, que ce n'est pas mon famille, ils ont continué d'insister. Est-ce que vous avez déjà demandé Farid Maketa quel est le nom de son père? Jamais. Vous n'avez pas demandé. Moi, mon nom, c'est Worokiat. Le nom de moi, depuis 2018. Kadiatou Kamara Bato qui a commencé ça. Quand Bato m'a dit qu'elle est Keta, elle n'a pas menti, elle est Keta. Elle a ses frères au Côte d'Ivoire et Italie, et même en et le grand frère de Kadi. Bato m'a pas qu'elle encore qu'elle est Kadi japonais. Il n'a pas Fatou Kate, Fatou Nyame Kouate, pas qu'elle encore monsieur Mamdrame. Il n'a pas Oumou Sangare, pas qu'elle dokoni Ben Bede Jakti. Ne fene pas qu'elle encore qu'elle Omar Bagaï. Omar Bagaï. Bato m'a fait pas qu'elle encore monsieur de Kadi Konaïta. Bala uti fala. Ubi bala uti fadila. Ubi bala uti fadila. Neni nkoroke ambi bala ante fadila ole kama anja mtekeli. Akono ko kwa ana te bala de. Ni mo mi te bala. Neni bas na muso do par exemple ne fay dentan nan de so. Ne bas na muso do ye ketari na fani nyona shi. Neni uti bala. Me ambe jam bili. Mono jam mada bagayo. C'est ko galoni. An fa jam de banko. An jam teta an basulo. C'est-à-dire que ne ko konen korokete fala afade badama fay baga yodi ko yaga denu arta ko mulu paliata kam du kenina afla ka muso mbokata ko ka ko fela lani rapport sexuel ko échieni nete haïtien. Je ne parle pas créole. Je n'ai jamais embauché créole dans mon salon de coiffure. I never hire any creole. I have a shop for hair salon for the 14 consecutive years. I never have employee Haitian. I never ever hire the Haitian employee from the Haiti. Haitian is a people from Haiti, in the Caribbean island. Les Chinois là, ce sont des Asiatiques, comme les Maca, les Dubaï. Les Caribbean islands là, ce sont des Jamaïcains, des Haïti, des Dominicains, c'est vers là-bas. C'est différent de là-bas. Les Haïtiens là. Quelqu'un qui vient de Haïti, on dit Haitian. I am not a Haitian. I am Malian. I was born in Bamako, Mali. Yes, last time in the 17th, I went to the court in Long Island City. And where I used to live in the shelter. Okay? Where I was living in the shelter. In Long Island City in the 41 Avenue. Alright? In the shelter hotel. Where Andrea is the roommate. I did not go there for the domestic violence. It's a shelter hotel. And we fight in there. You say she's my girlfriend and I went to her home. It's not her home. It's a government shelter. We met in the because of it's a three people were sleeping in the one room. Okay? But alright? Okay? They say it's her home and I went, that's not true, it's not her home. She live in the shelter. She's undocumented. And she's undocumented. But she be telling people she was born here. And I am US nationality and I was born in Africa. You fighting for her and you say I'm fighting with the whole Chinese. I don't care. I'm not a fraud. Papier tabulu. Abora Azikana. Shinwa Jamanaka. Ne bora Afrika. Ne papier besoya. Papier tabulu no bukan kelekata. Ko sabla ka gulu jelo. Ko marambaw ye arabu fino ye. Ko na ko arabu ni tubabu ni farajala mo ko be ko be subu akelenye. Ko kuma ko le bokolo kelongi. Ubuka ko Azi ko Shinwa be Asiatique Jamanaka. Ko safi jamate ko mo ko ni Shinwa. Okay? Ko salamata sangaro ko mo ko ni Shinwa. Umusa no ye awo no ko buka yela ukana ne kele foya. Ne ka mo ko te salamata sangari. Ne batu ko di salamata kita. Okay? Kata mam doko ni salamata kita bosu gungo. Ne batu ko man ko ni bay. Ku be ne ke fato kan fola ni laga to kan fola. He. Aw ni ala na krache. Muso munu fula ka boka nyogon ka ko fela na ko dingela ni chain. La hawla wala quwata. Muso min bole fela ni. Ko ne wor ka tuketa la hawla wala quwata. Nya partager almamis différence sabadima. Ta partager awma. Ubaya yo bebe ala de wole o ko wara to la ko nansira ala fay. Ko ala tan ji o la joka mi la joka winga. Anta blade fokiyama. Aw ye galunda na wa bona. Abika no ko mbadabla. Ubuka ni iramu ko la kabiri san lan 2013 ubunne. Ko ne bi yala ko chobuka ne bodi ngeke ne kiba kala ma ko ne dona furula ka bi 2011. Ka bi 2011 ne ko furula jibi ka bajak tere ma mana ne ay ne so yani. Ko marambo ko jibi ka bajak ko na ne bora Afrique san lan 2011 ne ni bak ko kele ne ni bak do ko ni bakele fa kele ne bi akanda kita no dimay. O fane keta di. Watara ne yara ne fa ko ke di furmo Mariam keta ko ye maramba eni ala chane maramba bolo no. Nani Mariam Keta bol sabula oyene fa ko ke modi muso do ne oyene re cousine bene dalu glake maramba the maramba from Segu, the one that was a Virginia 65 years old that left in the village Segu to go to Ivory Coast for family Keta and divorce and come to the Virginia. She in Aminata Ba 37 years old. Aminata last name is Ba, her father is not Ba, they're betraying me. Okay? They're not my family member. When Aminata come, Aminata went to call these people to betray me. And this young women, Mariam, the one that motherfucker doing the duguli. Aramata Sako, the prostitute, Aramata Sako, prostitute bastard child, Mariam Ba. She's 23 years old. Elle a 23 ans. La fille de Aramata Sako, la prostitute, l'enfant de bordel, elle a 23 ans. Sunguru ba muso armata demoso maramba sunguru ba oyesa mukani sabali nu ya kala tega ne masa ubetaka muso ina bo Virginia ko yo nebe American ka brisa en 2001 muso e madelika ne ni san 2009 amna tare nana ne fe san 2008 amna tare ko kubita ni muso en fe ko ko mo amna ta fane badi bakulu ni muso en fe o fane bakulu di okay jamu kala de bo lu flala olu de mo ko kele est-ce que c'est la peine de discuter Bimane bla no ima del kanene ti do hen. Anta kara fifi de fe Virginia fifi to ko fap mata konati. Ne to ko wuro kya tuketa. Ne tara fifi de fe. Ani mati job tara wuli. Mati job fat mata konati. Ne wuli la spécialement kata eriti moni Virginia au lieu de fe konati de ketai al tara wuli ambe so mo kelundi. Imane tali flow fe ne tu do hen. Au tara marambo fe. Au na ko you say that I went to have a domestic violence. I never live in New York. To go to them, I don't even know them. You the lie. Alright? It's a betray, it's a setup. Fuck you, bitch, motherfucker. I know my human right. Alright? I went to Mali. I am from Mali. I went to Bamako. I am from Bamako, where my father town. Since when I make my first video in May 31, 2021, when the COVID finished, before I go to Africa. Because what? Since in 2019, I sent to 9,500 Africa to buy the land. Okay? They start fighting with me and say that I went to Virginia and I came from Africa as a housemaid and go to Virginia to Maramba and it's still 9,000. And again, I sent another 20,000. I went to withdraw 31,000. Whenever I want to withdraw the money, they say, Madam, that bitch in Virginia. Okay? Because now I'm going to continue to insult you because what? I think you respect yourself, you don't respect yourself. Suppose you respect yourself. You can hear that. And you knew that. And you went to tell people in a court that I am your housemaid, you bring me from Africa. You the liar. My uncle Kanda Keita is here. He did not bring me, my mother bring me. My mother bring my uncle Kanda Keita to the US. He's a single man. And he bring me to him in 2001. So he can send me and sign the documentation. Because a teenager, I was a teenager. People must be 21. Okay? People must be 21 to sign your documentation and your parents, okay, to have a surgery. So they couldn't have a surgery without my parents. So my uncle was here, at least he was older than me. So he could sign the paper for me. So they could have my surgery of my hip. I work like that since when I was 1 year and 8 months. You'll be saying that I fight with you, that's why I work like that. I fight with Maramba Drudi, so that's why God don't hate me. That's why God hate me, and I walk like that. That's not true. My not my stepsister, my father child, one of my sister, she's older than me. When I was born, she was 11 and some almost 12. She's the one who